Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, good morning again and hello world, hello Philippines. So this is me, Gerald. So ayun siya guys, so for today's video, so meron ako ngayong pupuntahang pinaka-importanting na mangyayari sa aking buong career. So di-document natin siya guys. So actually guys, meron akong in-applyan sa company namin. So I'm hoping na sana makapasa tayo guys. So for now, bagong gising ako. So super nakapag-relax na. I'm well rested and nakakain na rin ako guys ng aking almusal. Charis. Super kalat for today's video. So yan na siya guys. So ngayon, prepare lang muna ako ng very light. And then later on, so meron akong atenda na interview. So good luck sa akin. So first time ko na mag-apply ng ganitong position. So internally. So I'm hoping na sana makapasok tayo for today's video. There. So I'm so excited. I am ready na po guys. Ready na ako sa mga interview for question and answer. So I'm prepared for that. So there. So ito, nakapangbahay muna ako. So mga after 30 minutes, so mag-ano na tayo guys, maliligo na for today's video. Alright. So nakahanda na rin mga susuotin ko guys. Ayan, nakahang na siya. There. Everything, the shoes, the documents needed, or anything, handang-handa na siya guys. So I think I am prepared na to discuss and to share my experience sa mag-interview. So let's hope for the best and let's see. So sana i-guide ako and yeah, at sana masagot ko yung mga tinatanong nila sa akin. Alright, so abangan niyo po guys. So ngayon maliligo muna tayo for today's video. It's time to BS. Alright, see ya on my next video. Hello everyone. So yes, naka-ready na tayo guys for today's video. So there. So I'm so excited for my next journey. Charisa. There. Ayan siya guys. So mag-attend tayo ng isa sa pinaka-importanting pangarap ko sa buhay, ang maging cabin crew guys. There. So yeah, hoping for the best. So bigay ko lang best ko, no pressure. So let's see. And kung papalaran tayo, why not? Thank you so much, Lord. Naway gabayan niyo pa ako today. Ayan, there. So, naka-ready na tayo, guys. Mapakita ko sa'yo. Ayan. Super ganda, diba? Super Latina, Charis. There. So, ngayon, alis kami ng mga 10 o'clock dito. So, actually, ang find and call namin is from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. naman siya, guys. So, we still have time. So, there. Ayan siya guys, so I'm ready na to next journey. There. Ayan siya guys. Hello Team Abroad and Team Pinas. Mega love shout out. There. See you everyone. So I think, I'm not sure kung pwede siya mag-film. But I will try my best to medyo pahapyawan natin siya na hindi halata. So there. Alright, ready na aketch for today's video guys. Alright, see ya. So hello everyone, I'm waiting for my friend. So there, so dito na ako guys sa labas. So excited everyone. So good luck to me. This is my ultimate dream job actually guys. There, so today is a big day. Buksaan edition, Charis. There, so waiting ako sa friend ko. Papunta na siya dito guys. So medyo maginit ng very light. Charis, ang arte. Alright, there. So see you everyone. Sana makapag-video ako doon ng pasilip-silip lang. Okay, I think andito na nga siya guys. Alright, hello, good luck to me guys. Sana makapasa tayo for today's video. There. Okay. Nandito pa rin ako sa Mansur. Dito ako nakatira guys. Ayan. Bye. Ano masabi mo? Ready na. Si Khloe Kardashian. Alright. Dito na pa kami guys.
Nangangarap.
So, ayan. Heading to Hyatt Regency guys. Yun ang venue namin. Charis. There. Okay, good luck to us. See ya! So everyone, so we're waiting guys. Ayan. Hey, good luck. So, natapos na ang aking interview for today's. Alright. So, natapos na ang aking interview, guys. So, I think it went well. So, whatever the result, and still thankful pa rin naman ako because I was given a chance to, you know, to interview as this a cabin crew position. Alright, so there. So, nag-enjoy naman ako, guys. So, I think nag-chillax lang. So, bahala na. So, kung para sa akin, para sa akin. So, again, thank you so much again for watching. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking mini vlog for today's video. So, again, see you on my next vlog. Bye!